morning. I'm Jen Wall. Thank you for joining us. The Arizona Department of Health Services has just released new numbers on coronavirus cases statewide. DHS is reporting there are now 12,176 confirmed cases and 594 deaths. Starting this morning, pools and gyms can reopen, but of course there are restrictions. Team 12's Rachel Cole explains how facilities plan to keep customers safe.
Hey there, good news for any of you hoping to take a dip during the quarantine, and uplifting news for those of us ready to get back in the gym as soon as possible.
So thrilled and excited. I work out like 5 to 6 days a week, usually.
Active people like Kendall and Drew ready to get back in the saddle.
A lot. Now, 4 or 5 times a week.
Drew, joking about being jacked, says it's been great making the most out of area parks and outdoor workouts, but likes a climate-controlled and sanitary environment. That'll soon be a reality as Mountainside Fitness and other gyms get ready to reopen in the coming days.
Can you imagine your favorite Christmas of your whole life when you wanted that toy and you got it? That was today at 3 o'clock.
Tom Hatton, CEO of Mountainside, says even with the green light from the governor, they're using the next several days to ensure the safety of both the staff and those looking to sweat.
A lot more intensity with cleaning. We'll be taking temperatures of all of our employees before shifts.
While things may look different, don't be fooled. Hatton says facilities will offer the same services with added safety measures.
We're going to be able to do everything that we did do. We are going to practice social distancing as the governor mandated.
We're looking around at all the people, lively at all the restaurants and the bars, and we're just saying we're so excited for the weekend to get back out with the people and socialize.
And with restaurants reopening, Kendall and Drew don't plan on skipping leg day.
We're ready.
So whether it's taking the plunge into a public pool or pumping some iron in the gym, both will be options to residents in just a matter of hours. In Scottsdale, Rachel Cole, 12 News.
Yeah, and gyms and pools are not the only things reopening. Spas and massage therapists can get back to work as early as this morning. Companies are encouraged to continue following CDC guidelines for social distancing. Spas are also being asked to enhance their cleaning measures to protect staff and customers. And Governor Ducey also gave the okay for the opening of spas and is now welcoming back professional sports to Arizona. He says all professional sports are welcome to beginning hosting games again, but with a few changes. Teams are encouraged to continue following CDC guidelines, and games will go on without fans in the stands. The invitation to reopen applies to Major League Baseball, the NFL, the NBA, the NHL, and Major League Soccer. Meantime, good news for a lot of patients starting today. Abrazo hospitals are loosening their COVID-19 visitor restriction policy. That means one visitor can go with patients getting a scheduled elective procedure. Emergency room patients also get one visitor. In order to keep everyone safe, though, Abrazo is implementing some new guidelines, including designated waiting areas, physical distancing, and more cleaning protocols. And visitors will be screened for COVID-19 symptoms. And while you may be excited things are opening back up, remember to do what you can to practice proper social distancing. Take a look at this Mill Avenue restaurant that opened back up for dine-in service. This is Casa. Health officials say this was the worst case scenario. People packed on the rooftop, a line out the door, and people were sitting at tables that were not less than 6 feet apart and with no masks. So here's what the Vice Mayor of Tempe had to say about who's to blame.
What we witnessed was really irresponsible behavior on the part of the business owner and a part of the patrons as well. But ultimately, this comes down to the governor. The rules are murky. We are opening too soon.
So Tempe's mayor is now going to require some restaurants to document how they're ensuring physical distancing, and if police have to go back again, the mayor says the restaurant can expect a citation. Casa's manager says it's working with the city to ensure safety. While many parts of the country are preparing to reopen, the Navajo Nation says it plans to keep a lot of restrictions in place for now. Yesterday, the nation announced it will extend its emergency order until at least the first week of June. The current emergency declaration that closes government offices and non-essential programs was set to expire on Sunday. Well, let's take another look at the new totals of coronavirus cases just released by the Arizona Department of Health Services. DHS is reporting there are now 12,176 confirmed cases and 594 deaths. Taking a closer look at the numbers here in Maricopa County, according to the County Health Department, there are 6,112 confirmed cases, 271 people have died, 866 people are in the hospital, and 236 are in the intensive care unit. According to Maricopa County, those 65 or older or have at least one chronic health condition make up 72% of those who have been hospitalized and 97% of deaths for COVID-19. So don't forget, you can always find the latest information surrounding the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizona on the 12 News app. It's free to download if you have not done it already. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this latest update. Have a great day and stay safe, Arizona.